Atlas. The last Facebook program you will be learning about is Atlas, Facebook's take on a way to effectively measure and keep track of all of the ads in your campaign. There are 3 major objectives that Atlas looks to help you improve upon: the ability to reach real people on any device anywhere in the world, the ability to tell your brand story in the formats that consumers care about, and the ability to improve the bottom line of your marketing campaign with people-based marketing. What does people-based marketing even mean? According to recent statistics, 60% of adults, that's people over the age of 18, use at least 2 different devices every day. This can create a problem for ad campaigns that are not focused on particular interfaces and web browsers. According to Facebook, Atlas is a way to ensure that all sales and insights, even those that happen in store and via mobile apps, where cookies are not stored, are recorded and brought into the marketing campaign's information. Why is accuracy so important? Accuracy is where ROI comes into play. For those that are not aware, ROI stands for return on investment. It is essentially the thing that measures the return upon a particular investment, or, even simpler put, the net gain that a brand or company gets from a particular investment. Hypothetically, say your brand or company is investing $100 in ads each week, but only selling $80 worth of product in the same amount of time. That would be a net loss of $20 a week. Simple, right? During ad campaigns, it is easy to get lost in all the numbers and calculations, and this becomes even harder across multiple platforms and interfaces. Often enough, small business and brands tend to lose money through their advertisements. Atlas looks to reduce these net losses by creating a more insightful ad campaign for you. How do you make an account with Atlas? Atlas, though a part of the Facebook company, is separate from Facebook as a whole. If you would like to work with Atlas, then head over to atlassolutions.com or check out the Atlas Solutions Facebook page to contact the creator.